Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Teams and verifying you're signed in. Next, go to Calendar and click New Meeting. Add a clear title, date, and time so attendees see purpose. Once done, add required and optional participants and choose whether to host in a channel or privately. This decides chat visibility and file access. Make sure to set a brief agenda in the description so people know expectations. This saves time during the meeting and increases attendance relevance. Once the meeting is scheduled, open meeting options to control lobby bypass, who's a presenter, and whether attendees can unmute or start video. Next, attach the agenda and 1 to 3 supporting files to the meeting chat so everyone has materials ahead of time. Then test your camera, microphone, and speaker in settings, check network quality, and switch to Ethernet if possible. If tech fails, have a backup dial-in number or alternate presenter ready so the session can continue smoothly. You start the meeting on time, greet attendees, and confirm recording and attendance expectations. During the session, share your screen or specific window, use Together mode for engagement, and manage questions with raise hand or chat. Once done, stop recording, summarize decisions, and assign clear action items with owners and due dates. Make sure to post meeting notes and the recording in the chat. Troubleshooting tip: if audio or screen sharing fails, have participants rejoin, switch devices, or use the web app to regain connectivity quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.